Going over Robinhood stock here, and today is March 28th, 2025, right around noontime here in the Pacific time zone, and we have Citizen Capital here with a $77 price target, a buy recommendation, and this is from, again, March 28th. Another one here from Needham with a $62 price target, a buy recommendation as well, both being from March 28th there. And then previously, we've got Compass Point, Duche Bank. If you haven't watched our previous video, both of those being a buy recommendation as well. $61 price target from March 19th and March 12th there. All of this being from March 2025. Let's go ahead and go straight into the Webull chart here for Robinhood stock. And I'll go ahead and share with you the downside and upside potentials in my personal opinion. And again, this is a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. So be sure to do your own due diligence as well, okay? So here we are currently shot down in the overall market. Overall market is headed down here. And I think we did hit a low of, let's go ahead and check, $40.57. And so we did respect this Fibonacci retracement support level that we had up, $40.45. If we drop below $40, that is a really good dip opportunity in my opinion. Now, where we are at currently on the daily chart, I still wouldn't mind adding a position here. Even right now at 41.65, down 5% on the day, I think this is a really good dip opportunity for Robinhood stock. If I could potentially get in Robinhood stock below $40, I think that is a really good dip opportunity. I would probably look to add in a big position, especially if we creep down towards the 200 daily moving average. Now, I don't think we're going to get $32 tested again, but if we get down towards these levels between 34 and 40, I think that is really good dip opportunity, potentially like a W here. We might form that reversal back up toward the top side and potentially see the high there of $66.91. And so from current prices here, again, I wouldn't mind adding right now for Robinhood stock. I still think it's really good. If we do dip down below 40, the next major support is closer towards $34. And again, that's going to be right around a potential 18% drop. All right, this is just hypothetical. I'm not saying we're going to get all the way down to $34 there, and it's pretty close to the 200 daily moving average as well. Then followed by resistances, right? So we have $46.70. I mentioned this in our previous video as well as the Discord that this was my price target, $46.70. We did hit this before as well during this run up right here. You can see we hit a high of $49.88. And if we zoom out here from current price, that is right around a 11 or 12% upside move. Now, keep in mind, there is a potential possibility that we could potentially dip further down. And what I would possibly be doing right now, dollar cost averaging on the way down or dollar cost averaging on the way up, because in my personal opinion, $46.70 isn't going to be a much concern for me in terms of resistance. The next major resistance after that is going to be closer to $54.40. And that's what I'm personally looking for in terms of price target, okay? $46.70 to $54, I think will be the price ranges that will be tested during April 2025 and potentially moving into May as well, all right? You might see some volatility here for Robinhood stock before we see an upside move all the way back up to $66.91. From current prices, that is going to be right around a 60% move towards the top side. Now, personally, I'm long-term on Robinhood stock. I think this is a great opportunity for an entry, but do what you want and be sure to do your own due diligence as well. All right, so with that being said, if you guys don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people there for Robinhood stock as well. There's a Robinhood chat section for Robinhood stock. If you want, you can also optionally join our Patreon. We have live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts. And we also have a live trading bot that will be implemented going into next week. So if that's something you're interested in, we do have that permanent discount right now going on for those that do join here pretty soon. Check the Patreon link down below, see if we have any available spots available. We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary, and so if you do manage to get in at a permanent discount right now, it's right around $10 to $50 per month, and you can feel free to pick whichever tier that suits you best. That's going to be your permanent discounted price forever if you do manage to secure any of those spots, okay? And yeah, let us know down below in the comments too if you are long-term on Robinhood stock. Let us know what you thought about that last conference meeting there. That was pretty epic in my opinion, and can't believe Robinhood is going to have its own bank and that they can also deliver money to you. So that's going to be pretty nice for the future there for us, all right? Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Robinhood stock.